Hello guys again. Today we have this product for unboxing, reviewing and testing. This is the Silvercrest handheld steam cleaner. Produces a powerful jet of steam for a deep clean. Chemical free, thorough cleaning. Eliminates 99.99% of household bacteria. Chemical free for all steam resistant surfaces such as glass, ceramic, masonry, metal and enamel. 3 years warranty from Lidl. Cleans, disinfects and degreases. Uses no chemicals for cleaning agents. Let's see what we have inside. First look is the manual, of course. We want to read it. This is an extension hose. This is the round brush. The other one is the angle nozzle. This is the measuring cup for the water. This is the funnel. Another extension nozzle. Upholstery nozzle. And this is the puller. Let's see the handheld steam cleaner. We have 3 meters cable, child safety lock, here it is, safety valve, the water inlet and water tank, here it is. We have the LED steam indicator green and power indicator red, and the steam outlet. Here's the steam trigger, unlocks. Handlebar, and the last is the cotton cover. And to fill for water you need to take out this, put some water in here, max, and just fill it. It's very easy. And again, close it. We have this extension hose. You can connect it directly here. Okay, nice, secure, very good. Then we can connect here the other, the angle hose, or we can connect the round brush, just like that. We can connect and this, nice, and then the other. It's very easy. Then we can connect here that plastic, that is the puller. It pulls from a glass tiles the steam, unlocks, and we can install this funnel here just for cleaning. That was all about unboxing and reviewing. It's time for testing. Just plug it in and wait. You can see some steam is coming out from here. That means you cannot take out this. It's very dangerous now. And we have a green light after 2 minutes. Well guys, here we are. You have seen in the video what he can do, this steam cleaner. It only costs 20 euros. Clean it well. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my video is your choice. But definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. And share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Subscribe. Bye bye.